everyone and welcome back to my second advent calendar unboxing this year. Today I'm going to be unboxing the L'Occitane Le Marche de Noël en Provence Christmas Market in Provence advent calendar, and I love the look of this. This might be my favourite kind of packaging of advent calendar this year because it is so cute. So before we get into it, be sure to subscribe because I'm doing multiple advent calendar unboxings this year and I'm planning some Christmas gift guide content as well. I will leave links down below in the description box for everything too. So this box retails at £53 and I think the contents is worth £88. So that's quite a good saving you'll get in there. And like I said in my last Molten Brown advent calendar unboxing, these are just a great way to really get to know the brand, to try products that you wouldn't have necessarily tried before and to see what really works for you. So let's get straight into it. Just look at how cute that is. It is so adorable. I love the kind of colour palette of this. It's very pastel. This is good. I've just spotted on the first door that the backing that holds all the products is cardboard, which is fantastic because I was worried about having lots of plastic. I was hoping that lots of brands would get on board with recyclable advent calendars this year, and this one is. It says 100% cardboard packaging, recyclable. This is great because less guilt around advent calendars. I'm just going to keep this on my lap, I think is the easiest way to do it. But in door number one is a miniature of the L'Occitane Ultra Rich Lip Balm, and I don't know about you, but I think it's always handy to have a lip balm in your handbag, and this is the perfect size for that. It's a cute little miniature. Not that we're going out at the moment, but when we do, this is always a good thing to have. And I have tried this lip balm before and it's very good, especially in the winter. I find my lips dry up a lot. In fact, my whole body just tends to shrivel and dry, go really flaky, so this will be handy. Door number two, we have, oh, perfect. This is the Ultra Rich Body Cream with 25% shea butter in it. This is going to be perfect for my eczema. In fact, I'm so tempted to apply some to my chest right now because I'm having some sort of like eczema flare up. In door number three, we have the Dry Skin Hand Cream. I literally feel like they've made this box for me this year. In door number four, oh, I don't think I've tried this. This is the Ultra Thirst Quenching Cream in the Aqua Ritoia Facial Moisturiser. Yeah, I haven't tried this before, but my chin is really flaking up at the moment because of some acne stuff I've been using, so that looks like it would be very gentle but also moisturising. So in door number five, we have another one of their cult hand creams. This is the Cherry Blossom hand cream, and I've tried this before and it smells gorgeous and it leaves my skin really soft. Door number six, Verveine Gel Cream. Oh, this is a cooling hand cream gel. I haven't tried this before. I'm interested by the cooling. Oh wow, that smells amazing. It's like a really nice citrusy lemon fragrance and I love lemony smells, so yeah, that's really nice. Number seven, oh, this is huge. Oh, it's a hair mask, SOS Lumiere Lustrous Hair Mask. I haven't tried this before, but this is like the perfect thing that I would pack to go on holiday with, or if I'm going overnight somewhere, something really little that can slip into my handbag. Maurice, what are you doing? The perfect travel size so you're not carrying loads of extra bottles around. In number eight, oh my god, this is so cute. This is an extra gentle milk soap with shea butter. I love the packaging of that. That is, oh my god, it smells amazing too. In fact, I think that's what I can smell in the whole box. Like as soon as I open this box, I got a whiff of like powdery goodness, and it definitely smells like that. Number nine, we have the Verbena shower gel, and this excites me. After trying that hand cream, I'm really excited about this now because I just think that lemon like citrus boost in the morning is going to make you feel so refreshed and revived, especially in the winter. Like you wake up and it's so miserable and cold and dark outside, so this would just do the best job of waking you up. Number 10, another hand cream, and this one is for very dry skin, the Intensive Hand Balm. In door number 11, we have a 15% shea butter dry skin foot cream. Oh, the idea of like pampering my feet something that I never do but sounds so luxurious and such a treat. Like, I don't know why I don't do that. In door number 12 we have the Almond Delicious Hands hand cream. In door number 13 we have a hair conditioner, perfect again for traveling with. In number 14 we have, this is another skincare product, and this is the Precious facial cream. I don't know anything about this, but I do trust L'Occitane for skincare. Like, I just feel like their ingredients are good for your skin and that they wouldn't put any unnecessary stuff in there. So yeah, I like the idea of a Precious cream. In door number 15 we have the shampoo. This is 5 essential oils shampoo to go alongside the conditioner. 16 we have the almond shower gel. Ah, love that. I say almond but it says amande on it, but I'm pretty sure it is almond. Oh yeah, it smells so good. Door number 17 we have the amande body milk to go alongside the shower gel. Door number 18, what have we got, Maurice? We have an SOS moisture. Oh, this is another hair mask. So what's the difference? The first one was for SOS shine, and this one is for SOS moisture. So they've got different hair masks to cater for different hair concerns, which is nice. Oh, I feel like I'm getting through this so quickly and I don't want it to end. Day 19, Rose hand cream in this gorgeous, cute pink tube. Day number 20, we have another soap, and this time it is in the Verbena, the lemon fragrance, and it says soap with verbena leaves. So I'm guessing maybe it will be a little bit exfoliating as well if it's got the actual leaves in it. Day number 21, we have a light comforting cream. I think this is another skincare one. Day number 22, we have a micellar shampoo. I've tried micellar eye makeup removers before, but not a hair shampoo. That's interesting. Day number 23 is, oh, that sounds really nice. A honey harvest hand cream. I haven't tried this. I'm literally just trying all of these out on my hands. Oh yeah, that smells really good. Oh, that reminds me of Marrakesh for some reason. Yeah, it's like a honey, but also I'm getting like a tiny bit of orange blossom. But that might just be mixing it with the other hand cream. Yeah, that's really nice. Smells like Marrakesh to me. Then on the final door is day number 24. Ooh, what is that? Wow, that looks fancy. This is a night serum, overnight reset oil in serum, and it has these tiny little balls in it, and the packaging is gorgeous. It's like an ombre purple to a nice yellow. Yeah, that's really cute. I can't wait to try this all. So there we have it, 24 days of Christmas with L'Occitane in their advent calendar. I would say if you're a hand cream fanatic and you have dry skin and you're generally interested in L'Occitane and what their products are like, this would be a great way to kind of be introduced to the brand. Also, I think this is a perfect gift for mums. Like, I don't feel like mums treat themselves enough. So if you were to buy them this, like, treat your mum to an advent calendar instead of her always getting you a chocolate one each year. I just think that's a really nice idea. So yeah, I'm going to leave a link to this down below. Let me know what you think and what you'd be most excited for trying in this box. And I love you guys lots. Bye!